The ocean sounds calm.
It feels like a good day.
I like this morning.
Look at the blue water.
It looks beautiful. The air is fresh.
It feels cool.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my face.
I am ready. I am almost ready.
Let us eat breakfast.
Yes, let's.
Yay, pancakes!
I am making breakfast.
I will help you.
I am hungry.
Me too.
This food is good.
It really is.
I love it!
Let us go to the beach.
Yes, let's go!
Yay, beach! I love the beach!
The sand is soft.
It feels nice on my feet. Look at the bird! It is flying low. I want to build a castle.
Me too!
Press the sand gently.
Like this? Splash! I'm wet.
You look so happy!
I love this day. This shell is pretty.
I found a big one!
Let's rest a little.
Yes, the sun is warm. Drink some water.
Thank you.
The sea is very blue.
I like the color.
Look at the crab!
Be gentle, don't touch too hard.
I love this beach.
Me too.
Wash your feet well.
All clean now.
Here are some snacks.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's walk by the shore.
Yes, I want to run.
Look at this piece of wood.
It is smooth.
This shade is nice.
It is cooler here. Look at the clouds!
They are beautiful.